All right, I want to welcome you again to the Market Mastery Program. And then in the Market Mastery Program, the last time we discussed on, we've covered beginner's guide to trading. We spoke about what is trading, financial instruments, trading time zones, correlated pairs, the exchange rates measurement, lot size and current market price, calculating PIP value, trading multiple lots. Then we moved to module 2, which was MetaTrader 4 basics. And in MetaTrader 4 basics, we did it individually like for those who are using Android and those who are using iPhone, we covered those. Then those who are going to use Windows, right, or laptop, I didn't get any response from anybody. But then it's pretty much easy. Same thing, either you use the web or you download the Windows app. You can find guidance on YouTube. Just type how to use MetaTrader 4 on my laptop. You will see. And then we spoke about account margin, buying and selling the exchange rate, price spread, market execution orders, stop orders, limit orders, stop loss, take profit orders. We spoke about module 3, which was TradingView setup yesterday, which we had charting tools. We spoke on Fibonacci, and then I even gave a resource, an additional resource that you should go watch. All right. That particular class that was here, everybody paid $185 to attend that class. I gave it for free. God is my witness. Everybody paid $185 to attend that class that I sent, that video I sent, all right, on using Fibonacci. Everybody that attended, I paid also, just so you know. All of us, we paid $185 to learn how to use Fibonacci. I sent you that video for free, completely free, like completely free, all right? So I'm basically giving you so much value. No one paid any amount of money for this particular class. But for personal mentorship, that's a different thing. Personal mentorship is where you have to pay actually. If you don't pay, you won't value it. And I can't invest my time in something that is not valued, because where I sense dishonor, I just run away immediately. Then we spoke on indicators, right? Even though we didn't really cover much of the indicators. So today I'm going to just do a quick brush over on indicators, EMA, average true range, RSI, stochastic, all right? I'm just going to do a little brush over on that after we discuss what we are supposed to discuss. Sorry, so what we are supposed to discuss today is market analysis. And in market analysis, we are supposed to talk about technical analysis, key factors in technical analysis, fundamental analysis, key factors in fundamental analysis, sentimental analysis, key factors in sentimental analysis. I know many of you just thought all about market analysis is technical analysis. Everybody shouting TA is king, bro, TA is king, but guess what can spoil all your TA? Fundamentals. Fundamentals alone can destroy your technical analysis if you don't know what to do, all right? Fundamentals can destroy completely your technical analysis. Though most times fundamentals usually back up technicals, but if you don't know how to do it properly, that's why you really need this video, all right? You really need this class. Then the next class, we're going to discuss on technical analysis. If you finish early today, then we'll go into technical analysis. The notes are ready, everything is ready. If we finish early, on technical analysis, we're going to speak on market range, price action, that's support and resistance, volume and momentum, supply and demand, that's smart money concept, candlesticks and candlestick patterns, then top to bottom analysis. Top to bottom analysis. This class, God is my witness, I paid $325 to attend that class. Top to bottom analysis, $325 to attend that class. Then another class on smart money concept. I paid another person, not even where I learned how to trade. Another person completely. I paid 200K naira. That's approximately like, let's say, as at that time, it was like $350 or so. Yeah, I paid to learn smart money concepts. I'm teaching all these things for free. Like you didn't pay anything. You can't. If you paid anything, type on the chat that you paid. You are literally learning for free. If you are going to pay, you're going to pay for what? Personal mentorship, not for this class. I made a commitment to God Almighty that I'm going to teach what He has given me access to. I'm going to teach everybody that needs it. I'm going to teach it for free. All right. The personal mentorship you pay. It's not small money you pay. You pay big money because I've invested big money into learning. All right. Let me check what's on the chat box. Oh, God bless you. God bless you. Wow. Oh, the video I sent was another video. Video on scalper, Jesus. Oh, wow. Video on scalper. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Please, I will look for the Fibonacci video. I have it in my diary, or in my library, rather. So I'm gonna look for it. So I sent the video on Scalper instead of Fibonacci. I'm so sorry, guys. I'll look for the Fibonacci video and send. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Then after that, we're going to teach on fundamental analysis, interest rates. This fundamental analysis, it took me like 6 months to learn, but you learn everything in how many days? So interest rates, gross domestic products, industrial production, consumer price index, retail sales, utilizing fundamentals and trading. But also, we are going to also talk about something very important that many people don't put into consideration, which is unemployment rate. But that's not today, don't worry. Then sentimental analysis, some of those things we'll discuss them. But let's just quickly run through what we've discussed so far. Remember what I said, if you do not try, your chances of success drop to 0. So give it a try. On modules 1, I've told you what we spoke about. Let's just quickly go to module. Okay, module 3 was trading view setup, which we already did. The module 4, market analysis overview. I love this so much. Market analysis overview. So types of analysis in the financial market, all right? In the financial market, we have the technical analysis, like I said earlier, and this is the application of historical price action in determining future price movement. Application of historical price action in determining future price movement. So what did market do before? Market did this. Okay, so I think market will do that. Yes, and because this was what it did before. You saw me analyze the market a few minutes ago, and I just drew out some boxes because market did this before, it will do it again. And guess what? I don't know if some of you joined earlier. You saw me back that $36,000, right? From this particular trade that I analyzed just now, right? So that's for those that joined earlier, those that joined late. Sorry. But you saw that trade, live trade, right? So key factors in technical analysis, there's market trend, there's price action, there's volume and momentum, there's supply and demand. However, an understanding of price action gives you almost all the information on the remaining factors of technical analysis. Almost all the remaining information you need. Price action gives you everything, almost all, right? And fundamental analysis, this is the study of the social, economic, and political factors that affect currency supply and demand. All right, so this is social, economic, and political factors. As I said, it can affect the market. Ukraine war affected me a lot. I lost over 130K USD. God is my witness, right? Because of the Ukraine war. My strategy was failing. I had to develop new strategy. Those that were on my WhatsApp, they understand, right? I had to shut out from trading and study why I was failing, right? So it doesn't matter how big you are. Social, economic, and political factors can completely destroy all the technical analysis that you knew or that you know. So key factors of fundamental analysis, there's the interest rate, there's gross domestic product, there's industrial production, consumer price index, that's CPI, GDP, unemployment rates, retail sales, national debt level, that's NDL. Then, like yesterday news that came up, okay, let me look for the analysis. I did an analysis yesterday news, and I was able to the clean one. This particular, oh boy, look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh boy, look at this. Oh boy, look at this. Oh wow. Oh wow. I'm coming, sorry, Jesus. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Shit. I love this. Wow. I'm already closed out on my entries. Okay, I left one open. Wow. If I'd left those, I kept 50 standard on each. If I left them, do you know what that would have been? That would have been like 400K already. Jesus. Look at this dump. I knew that it would dump. It was heavy already. It was heavy, ready. Jesus. Look at the clear M pattern. When I saw this move, I knew that we'll see similar move here. Look at this. Oh boy, look at this. Look at this. Sorry, hold on. Let me go and close out my trade. because I'm coming. Wow, wow, look at this. 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 This is sweet. This is sweet. Oh boy. Sheesh. Just one standard, though. 1,000 plus. See, one standard. One standard. Jesus, look at this move. I left my 50 standard open. I had 50 standard before. I closed all of them. Look at this. I not left one standard. Look at this. Look, oh boy, look at this. Sheesh. Sheesh. This guy is still going to drop further. I believe it. It's still going to drop further. Look at this. Hourly candle just opened. It just opened. Look at this drop. Look at this drop. Sweet. You see, look at this. Look at this. Emperor, do give away. You know, serious. Brokers are crying already. You saw that trade earlier on. Nice. Nice. Let me close. No, I'll just shift my SL. But let me close. I've tried. I told you this is 31,900 that we are up today already. Let me close the trade. Closing the trade. I made, look at, we are on 32,000 profit today. I'm done. I'm not trading today again. Nothing will make me to enter the market today. You see why I'm like successful in trading? Because I pick a currency pair and stay with it. Many people are trying to jump up and down. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I'm done for today, man. Nothing will make me to enter market. I told them to re-enter. All right, so let's go back to what we are discussing. Sorry, that was just a distraction. That was just a distraction, nothing more than that. That was just a distraction. But a nice distraction, by the way. Oh, trading will change your life. Just stay in the game. Don't run out. Just stay. It will take time, more. It will take time, long time, but just stay in the game. I wish I let my 50 standard open. Hey, God, I wish I let my 50 standard open. Trust your trade, bro. I wish I let my 50 standard open. Maybe by now I would have bought Nigeria. All right, let's go on to what we are talking about, please. So I said that's about fundamental analysis. Then sentimental analysis is the study of the mindset and actions of traders and investors in order to predict future price action. So key factors in sentimental analysis, we have commitments of traders. We have and for commitment of traders report comes out every Friday. So I must read it every Friday, right? Then we have futures open interest. We have position summaries by brokers. Okay. Module 5, technical analysis. Because we are done with that. Should we go into module 5 now? Should we go into module 5 now? Should we? Should we go into module 5 now? Technical analysis. Okay, vote. Everybody vote on the chat box. Should we go into technical analysis now? This is 12:13, and we still have some time. Should we go into technical analysis now, or I shall allow you to go and rewatch the videos that we have already? This is when we want to analyze like what and what's. Okay, let me check what's on the charts. Let's rewatch. Okay, great. Rewatch. Yes. Everybody's shouting yes. Some people are saying rewatch. Okay, please let's rewatch the video. Okay, so we'll not go into technical analysis now. We'll watch the video. Okay. for the sake of those that need to catch up, okay? So we're going to rewatch the video. Tomorrow, we'll now go into technical analysis. Technical analysis is like hot cake, so we'll go into it tomorrow. But rewatch the videos. Let me tell you something you don't know, all right? No matter how I want to teach you, you can't learn if you don't commit to learning. That's just the simple truth. No matter how I want to teach you, if you don't commit to learning, you cannot learn it. Do you understand? I wish you good luck. Let me end. Let me end the recording. I wanted to brush something. What was that? Okay. That's true. Thank you for reminding me. I wanted to brush on indicators. Indicators. That's true. Wow, look at this guy still tanking. Sheesh. Oh God. Look at this guy still dropping. Look at that sexy drop. Bro. Should I cheat my take profit? No, be disciplined. Be disciplined. After this one, go away. I've tried. Look at this. Just take a look at, oh boy. Just take a look at this. Just look at, oh boy. Look at this. God. Look at this. They said I make a post screenshots for group. Jesus, no, I don't want to threaten anybody. He said I post screenshots, boss. I can't do that. No, I can't do that. I don't want to pressurize anybody. Oh wow, this is clean. I like this. This is sweet. This is sweet. I was supposed to talk about something. Post screenshot. Maybe don't enter my DM. May nobody enter my DM. I beg, may nobody enter my DM. I beg. I don't want to impress. No. I'm not the impress anybody. Just day your day. Don't enter me. Leave me alone. If you enter my DM, I feel blocky. This guy. Jesus. Okay, so let's talk about something. Indicators, right? So I don't use indicators. Before I used to use indicators, but bro, I don't use indicators again. More wins. More wins for you too, bro. Thank you. What was I doing now? Wow, I like this anyways. It's a clean trade. Clean trade. So this is where I'd like to consider again for a re-entry. Let's consider this place for a re-entry. If price can make its way here, I can consider re-entry, but I'll reduce my risk because I've whacked out some profit already. I was going to talk about some what's that further remain. Indicators, good. Let me pick a fresh chart. I can't pick these charts. Let's use US 30. Let's look at US 30. This is dropping crazy. Okay, not bad. So indicators now, moving average. Let's, if you want to bring out your indicators, you come here. All right. You come here, type indicators. This is average true range. This is stochastic RSI. This is moving average. What does that say I'll talk about? RSI, stochastic, moving average, and EMA. Then average true range. So average true range, let me bring it out. This is what average true range looks like. What does it do? It tells you, calculates the volume of the like, what's the word now? The average, how will I explain it now? I've stopped using it, that's I don't really know what it is again. But anyways, it's like it's basically shows you what's happening in the market. Average true range. I use it to set stop loss. So this 43 now, I'll calculate 43 pips from wherever the price is. So whatever the average true range is telling me, I'll just calculate 43 pips from where the price is, and that's where I put my stop loss. But now I don't use it again to calculate to put stop loss. It shows you the average volume of traders in the market, right? Average, not volume, it's not volume. I forgot what it does. But it's just for stop loss, anyways. I used to use it for stop loss. So this 43 that you're showing me right now, just look at where the market is. Then pick my, if I want to, let's say I want to buy or sell, I'll just do like this. Look for 43. Once I see 43 now, okay. Now 41, 42, 43. Okay, I'll now put my stop loss something like here. Right, but I don't use it again. That's basically what it's about. But the reason I don't use it again is because I now I can identify where to put stop loss. And there's a better way, so I don't need to use it actually. Then stochastic RSI, overbought, oversold positions, blah, blah, blah. So this up is overbought, this down is oversold. Whenever market comes down and these two lines crosses themselves, the chances of the price going up is high, right? So here, when the two of them crosses themselves, what happened here? We saw price went up these two places, right? Whenever both of them crosses themselves, the chances of price going down is high. Yeah, when they cross, what happened to price? Price came all the way down. So you don't use any indicator independent. You use indicators with confluences. So the confluence is that this is the downtrend. So we would have not been buying normally. So we'll be looking for when it crosses down. So crossing down here, we'll now sell. This is where it crossed, right? So at this cross is here. So that is like a breakout. After the breakout, that's like after the breakouts, they will now enter the sell and ride it all the way down. Stochastic RSI, up is overbought, down is oversold. Don't trade when the stochastic RSI is in the middle. Like this place is in the middle. That's what they tell you not to trade. But me, if I want to buy here, I can buy here. Why? Because I'm seeing a pattern forming already. This is W, but that's just one confluence. There are other confluences. That's why I stopped using stochastic RSI. But it's very good if you want to use it. You just shows you overbought positions in the market, oversold positions in the market. Then another indicator I wanted to show us was what's other indicator? Let me check again. Sorry. What don't shows again says EMA, ATR, RSI, stochastic. So it's just EMA that's left. Okay, let me just explain EMA quickly. So EMA, that's moving average exponential. Oh, how to find it? Come here, type the indicator, then type it. Once you type it, it will come out basically. So the default for this EMA is 9 days moving average. You can change the settings. I prefer either 50 days, 20 days, or 100-day moving average. So you just come here, come to inputs, length, keep, let's say, want to use 100-day EMA. So click enter, and that's basically what it does. So EMA, whenever price stops the EMA, look at, whenever price stops the EMA, it moves out. But I prefer the 50-day, honestly. But it's not all assets that this moving average works with. That's why I can't just tell you to be using moving average. It's not all assets to work with. Like now, this US30, we have seen right now that it does not respect it. See, okay, yes, it respected it here, yeah, respected it here also. Look at this was a strong confluence. This is a sell zone plus moving average. So I think this was a good one. And it gave us like, if you are risking, let's say, all of this zone, we got all of this. That's like 1 to 6 or 1 to 5. That was a good reward. But it doesn't work for all assets. That's why I can't use it for all assets. I can't use it for all assets, all right? That's basically the EMA also. But I don't use it at all. Before I used to use it, but it works for currency pairs very well. And the one that works perfectly safe is the 50-day moving average. 50-day moving average. 50-day moving average works very well for currency pairs. Let's pick currency pair as an example now. Any currency pair actually. Let's pick GBP/USD. You see that it works well for currency pairs. Look at this guy. This huge sink, it will repeat itself. Let market just make its way up gradually. I'm waiting for market to come here. Then that same thing that will happen here. Cash similar move down. I like this. Nice one, nice one, nice one. Nice one. Nice one. So look at, it works well. See 50-day moving average. It works here, works here, works here. This place was a spike. So it worked well, actually, if you'd ask me. Then it worked here. Look at, it worked here. It works actually for currency pairs very well. See, it works here. But that's just one of the confluences. Me, I don't even look at, if you had bought here, like me, I'll ask myself, why am I buying when I want to sell here? Right? So there's no point of interest to buy. So why would I buy? But it works well, honestly. The only thing is that before the moving average have moved, you would have moved, or you ought to have moved. I don't know if you get what I mean. So the moving average updates after price has updated. And as a trader, you want to always be ahead of price, not be behind price, right? You want to be ahead of price, but yet working with prices, reacting with price action. So price must have acted before you reacted. So that's why you can learn how to use all of these indicators and not still know how to trade, right? But if you want to use any indicator and you want something so easy for you, I'd advise you use the moving average. Why? Moving average and stochastic, both of them. So I would advise you use that moving average or moving average plus stochastic RSI. So both of them. Stochastic RSI is very good. I use it for a long time. Actually, I used stochastic RSI for a long time. So it's helping me. So you can use it. It will help you. The moving average basically shows you the trend, current trend. Look at now, market has changed trend. You can see already because it has broken out of this moving average line. Market has changed trend already. I bought here this morning. This morning I bought here. It was a clean buy, right? But guess what? No, I called out the trade. I forgot to enter. I just remember. I thought I had entered. So when the market was like here, I now remember that, oh, I didn't enter. And I wanted the market to come down here if I went out. Market did not come down here. I'm talking about this zone here. This down point. See, this lower point here. There's another block here that was expecting price to come. It didn't get there. So that's why I didn't buy that time, I remember. But I called out the trade this morning and my team ate some good food, you know. So I don't open up personal mentorships, but I just feel if you want to learn further, all right, if you really want to learn. Sorry, hold on. My chief, please, I'm in the class now. I'll call you back, please. I'll call you back. I'm in the class. Sorry, I'm sorry about that. So I just feel if you really want to learn more about trading, right? Learning from what you see here is important, it's helpful, but that's not the only way forward. I don't know if you get what I mean. That's not the only way forward. Honestly, that's not the only way forward. That's not the only way forward. Or you get a mentor, that's the fastest way. God is my witness. I've never lied about this, and I'll never lie. Oh, well, he's buying back to go and sell. I'm waiting here to sell again. You see why it's better to be trading when there's volume. See, there's volume by now. That's why you are seeing market is moving well. Volume is here. In the night, as when you're trading in the night, look at all through midnight. The market was moving so sluggishly. But as morning came now, see from 8 a.m. See 8 a.m. can't do gong. See 8 a.m. can't do here. See how large it is. So volume enter. Wow, look at this buy. I don't catch it. Wow. I think I want to sell again. I think I want to sell again. Just let it come inside my zone. I'll sell again. You're crazy. Let me check my Fibonacci. That is 80. Okay, 79. 79 is not bad. Okay, 79 Fibonacci. I can pick it now. It's not bad. Long and short is you always want to be at an edge or have an edge in trading, and that's getting a mentor, right? So if you want personal mentorship, it's expensive. I'll be honest with you, right? It's expensive, but if you want personal mentorship, you can enter my DM. We'll talk about it. You can enter my DM. Honestly, you have my WhatsApp number. So if you want personal mentorship, you can enter my DM. Feel free. We'll talk about it. Okay. I think basically that's what I wanted to explain, and I've explained it. Any questions? Any question? Any question? Any question? Any question? Any question? Any question? I'm waiting, please. Ask a question so that we can proceed and move on. Any question? No question. All right. So let me stop recording. Then I'll now share us into groups because I need to share us into groups. The video for yesterday is not on your YouTube yet. Really? It's not there. Okay, I'll upload it. I'll upload it. Wait, it's not there. Wait, I'll upload it this morning, Joe. Look at now, channel content. Checks complete, no issues found. Look at, I uploaded it this morning now. Look at V0. I uploaded this copyright claim. Who is claiming? What's all this copyright for? Are you joking? Let me see what the copyright is for. Copyright claim. Are you joking or what? Where's the copyright? Did I play any song during the? Oh, this first. Oh, wow. This first part of the class. Oh, wow. I'll go and remove it. I'll go and remove it. These people are not serious. So I'll go and remove it. Those YouTube videos, if I just played the YouTube video. Oh, wow. I'll go and remove it. So I've uploaded this morning. I'll see it here. It's on the channel. So feel free. Go and watch it. It's not public. It's only those that have the link that can watch it. It's not public. So wait, I'll share a link. Let me even copy link and share. So get the shareable link. I actually hope you are learning. Please talk to me in the chat box. I don't like the way the chat box is empty. Talk to me. I want to know if you are truly learning what I've been teaching so far. Talk to me. I want to know if you have been truly learning what we have been teaching so far. But if you are not learning, like a waste of time for me now. And waste of time for you, said it's better you have fun and drink tea and go out with your friends than to be in a class that you're not learning from. But what I just do now? Hold on, please, though. So okay, yeah, done. So let me see what's going on in the chat. It's not about yes, we are learning. No, make sure you're actually learning. Like honestly, you just need to be serious with it because it's your life. Like honestly, I wasn't able to log into the Zoom recorded video that was sent. Any help, please? Okay, I will resend it. Or I will send the right one. Don't worry. Then now grouping us into groups, right? I'm gonna send it. I'm gonna send the like I'll write out something and send to the group. Basically, it is. I'll remove some people from the group by myself. I won't even wait for that day. Don't worry. I'll remove some people by myself. I know some people that have not been serious. I'll remove some people from the group, and then I'll yeah, I'll remove some people from the group, and then I would add what's the word? I'll remove some people from the group. One, two, I'll just make sure we are like maybe 40. Then I'll not group everybody into a group of 10, 10 per group. 4 groups, 10 people per group. So what are your expectations? Or what are the expectations from the group, right? You're supposed to meet with yourselves one. You're supposed to do assignments together too. Then you're supposed to ensure your group members, like attend classes 3. Then 4 are the most important. Is that you're supposed to come with group questions. So people go and try out what you learned here. After trying it out, you must come with questions. You must come with questions. You must come with questions. So basically, those are my expectations from you guys, right? So simple. Can I get better understanding about the mentorship? You pay. The mentorship, you are paying me, not any other person. You're paying me for me to walk you through trading. Honestly, that's what I collect. But if you don't have that amount and you have some money, come and meet me. We'll talk about it. I'll look for a way to help you out. And it's only allowed for people in this MMP program. Or outside this MMP program, you're going to pay the full amount of money. I don't give discounts. But if you're in this MMP program, come and meet me. Any amount you have, I'll just look for a way to run it out for you. There must be something reasonable. Don't come and tell me you have 100K. Just something reasonable, right? But if you have some money, just come and meet me. We'll talk about the mentorship, honestly. Basically, that's it. I think that's all. Let me stop recording first.